For the last 10 years, Cary Taylor has been hard at work.
We've got so many buttons you have to push on these things.
Repairing fence on district lands.
Many. I kind of enjoy working. That's not something that I shy from.
With a dedicated work ethic.
I have always been that way. I don't know whether that was genetics or habit, but my father was that way. I'm sure my grandfather was that way. I have a son that's that way.
Born and raised in Bartow, Taylor grew up working on the family farm. He says he broke his nose more than once playing high school football and spent 6 years serving his country. You could say he's tough as nails. But now at the age of
2 months short of 80. No, 78, I'm sorry. I get thinking ahead too far.
Taylor is
Fixing to call it quits.
He's going to be a hard fellow to replace.
Taylor's supervisor, Mike Ames, says Taylor's dedication to his work is going to be missed.
He's a guy that you can count on, that you send him out to do something and you know he's going to do it and he's going to go out and do the absolute best job he can.
I think I have those standards that anything you want to talk about. And I don't know where I got them, really, but it's just kind of the way I was born.
Taylor says it's his ailing hip and his future job that's making him retire.
My wife's got a list fixed up for me, a honey-do list.
Taylor says he will miss the district's work and the people.
Good friends. It's just a friendly place to work.
It's Taylor's dedication to hard work and getting the job done that can be a good lesson for anyone.
He's definitely going to be missed.